Now it's time to remove and test the springs. I'm going to use this device that John gave me. Thank you again, John. Essentially a threaded rod with a bracket on the top that goes around the top of the spring box here. And then this goes around the bottom bolt. The idea is that you tighten it up to get the tension on the spring box that holds the spring in place, and then remove the whole unit as one. And then what I think I'll do is I'll try and use the strap method that was recently shown on the forum on the other side. Well, that method worked well. There were a couple of tense moments there, but as you saw, I strapped it at the bottom. I wasn't sure how tight that would be, but here's the spring on the bench, and you'll see how much travel there is. That was the point on the bike there, and then just removing the shroud. Oh yeah, so there's two springs inside, as I expected.